Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you two major updates within NotebookLM. Okay, so NotebookLM is an AI tool that we've been using to generate different kind of context. You can search for content online from different sources and you can combine different sources together and then carry out different kind of research inwards to search within the documents that you have or the sources that you have. Be it a YouTube video, a paper link, or direct text, you can add anything. So let's start by accessing NotebookLM from the beginning. Let's say we have notebooklm.com and then go ahead to the first option. We can go ahead and say try NotebookLM. Of course, you have to log in with your accounts to be able to come in over here. So once you are here, you can come down to here. There are two major updates that they have that are very, very interesting that I want to share with you. Now, you can create audio or video overviews from websites or from here. Like I said, you can upload files from YouTube videos or URL to the video, Google Drive, and you can copy text directly and paste it in here, and then you can ask further questions. But for now, I want us to do direct source research. So for example, while I'm here, I can search for something very direct. Let's say I search for this question, define about solar system for students and researchers, right? So let's go ahead and say we want fast research, or you can go as far as using the latest tool, which is the deep research option. Or for now, we're going to just go with fast research and then go ahead and hit on enter. Now, while this is generating from the internet, it's making a search for all the places that you can find sources related to this solar system for students, and you can see it has found 7 to 10 different sources. You can import all of them, or you can view to check out all of them. Fast research is complete. You can import all of them, and it's going to go through all of them and then now bring it into NotebookLM so you can carry out your own research. And you can see it is importing the different sources that it has found in regards to the topic that we've just entered. All right, so you can see right now it has imported all of the topics that we have. You can go ahead and ask follow-up questions or direct questions related to these sources that it has imported, and ask questions related to them, questions that have to do with maybe if you are to have a preliminary science, formation, evolution, or a geology, something related to the sources that you've added. What type of solar system would you have, or which one of them is the most useful nowadays or most relatively assessed by students and researchers. Now, one of the features that I want to introduce to us, which is the latest, is on this studio. When you look, the usual items that we do have here include audio overview, video overview, mind maps, which we have covered in most of the videos that I've made, reports, flashcards. Now they've introduced quiz, infographics, and even slide deck. Okay, so let's go on and add something like in the infographics. Usually when you click on any of these items, it's just going to go and start generating automatically without you having to customize things. But if you come over here and click on this pencil icon, it's going to open this platform, so you can specify the language that you want to use as regards, for example, the infographics that you want to create, and then the orientation. Is it landscape? Is it portrait? Is it a square infographics that you want to create? So let's go with something like landscape, and then over here you can have the level of detail. Is it concise, standard, or detail? I want to go with detail, something like this, and then you can describe how you want to create this. Okay, what kind of infographic you're trying to create. So you can say present these sources in a visually understandable way by students. We can just go ahead and click on generate, and then while it is generating, we can as well ask more questions related to this as well. For example, the second option that I want to share with you is on the slide deck. So you can also click on the pen icon to go on the slide deck. Now there are two formats to generating the slide deck. For example, the detailed deck is going to be on one slide, a comprehensive deck with full text and details, perfect for emailing or reading on its own. Now, presented slides incorporates the use of or the generation of clean visual slides with key talking points to support you while you speak, something like a PowerPoint presentation. So let's say we go with the second option over here, and then you can have the option to make it either short or default, and you choose the language, and you can describe the slide that you want to create. You can be as detailed as you want as regards the sources that you've uploaded. Or for this case, I want to go with default and I want to leave everything as it is. Let's just create a slide for me. So I can go ahead and say generate, and now we'll have another option in generating another result, which is on the slide deck. While we wait for this to come up, let me show you one that I've created, and it's fantastically showing. It has finished the generation. Take a look at this. It has produced about 9 different slides. All right, you can see everything very, very detailed, and we can as well use this for your comprehensive presentation anywhere that you're interested. Now you can go ahead and check through and see fantastic images, fantastic visuals that you can as well use for your content, and you can download them directly from here, and it's going to give you the option to download. You can see downloading them directly in PDF format. So that's the first option. Let's collapse this, and then we can have the second option, which is the infographics that we've just added. In this case, it's my own case that I've asked, not the one that we started. And take a look at this fantastic visual that it has created. Very, very wonderful and very detailed, very clean and sharp images attached with the description of each one of them. If you want to know about the system of two halves, you can be able to understand it by just this visualization, how the whole solar system is formed, and it is about 4.6 billion years of journey. So this is very detailed and very, very interesting, and you can download as well. You can have it in PNG as well. So that's this one. You can close, and then you can check the other one as well, which is very interesting, also easily generated by this. So let's check the last one also that we've sent in. So this one is very detailed, a bath of our solar system. We can see the narration, the Venus, the Earth, the Mars, and so on. All of them with the 4.6 billion years ago, a star is born, and this is the story how it is born. Average surface temperature for each case in Venus, Earth, and Mars, and then you can see the visualization very clear and very detailed. So that's this point. Let's check on this. I think this one has finished, which is the first option here that we added, formation and feature of our solar system. Let's see what it has produced for us. And take a look at this wonderful visual that it has created of the infographics that we have. You can see the detailed content, the title, and all of the journey in the solar system. So you can see everything, including the geological comparison of terrestrial bodies. Well detailed and well colorful, that you can as well download from here and use for your content. So you can go ahead and explore even the slides. You can see the one that we've just asked. Let's see how it has generated. Now, one of the best part of this is that you can play the slideshow. You can either download or you can play the slideshow directly, and with this you can move from slide to slide, just like you are delivering the presentation. It's going to go on from one slide to another, so you can see the movement from one slide to another. Very, very nice and fantastic. You can expand the viewer to the full screen, and you can virtually do the same thing. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of showing these latest updates in NotebookLM, incorporating infographics as well as the slide deck. So please go ahead and explore it and see how you can use it to your own content or your satisfaction. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.